Hey guys, today we are going to unbox this iPhone 12 Pro. Let's see what's inside the box. Let's see what's inside the box. This product comes under 24 months warranty direct from the Apple. We are going to open it. What's inside it. Specifically, we are missing this one plastic cover from the Apple. Here what's inside it. Designed by Apple, Panasonic. Got one pin and tray remover. These are the menu. Now we have got only one Apple sticker, and we are missing here the adapter from the Apple 5 volts wall adapter. And we have got just the Type C cable. This big blue is looking so gorgeous. We are going to let's have a let's set up this mobile. Hope you guys enjoyed this video of unboxing 12 Pro, the specific blue edition. Please do like, comment, share the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.